Yeah. Feel that? Little tremor in your chest. That's the warning. New face, but the ground still shakes. First step in and I bend these plates. Rookie on paper, veteran pace. Calm on the surface, fault lines in my face. I was quiet in the back, now I crack this frame. Turn a pocket to a crater when I rap my name. Talk cheap, but the Richter don't lie. You can hear it in the kick, feel it climb your spine. No, room so still, then the walls vibrate. Glass on the seal, start to clack in place. You can pray, you can run, you can hide your faith, but you already too late when you hear that bass. Here comes the earthquake, whole block shake when I step in, step in. Here comes the earthquake, say my name once, feel the ground bend, flexing. Here comes the earthquake, you ain't seen the first time a hit like this. Here comes the earthquake. Here comes the Here comes the earthquake. I don't talk big, I just shift these zones. Every bar drop, another fall gets shown. Little crack in the street, now the street gon' fold. Turn a calm little night to a story you told. I've been deep in the dirt, now I rise, play tech. Heavy pressure in my chest, turn stress to steps. You can mark this day as the start of a break. New voice, new wave, but the ground same shape. Put your ear to the floor, hear it roar from below. One tremor, two tremors, then the whole thing goes. Yeah, hands up high when the bass line hit. If you stand too still, you might fall with it. It's that moment.